Welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle a tricky problem involving C++ templates. The problem at hand involves a construction that heavily relies on C++'s explicit template parameters for lambdas to achieve a specific functionality. You see, the problem lies in the way we are constructing a tuple from bar labels within a struct. Now, let's delve into the solution provided for this problem. The key part of the solution lies in a lambda expression that uses a parameter pack to construct the tuple from bar labels. By capturing the necessary variables by reference and using an index sequence, the lambda effectively generates the tuple with the desired values. This elegant approach leverages C++'s 20 features to achieve the desired outcome efficiently. Building upon the previous section, the solution advances with a lambda function that takes in a parameter pack, allowing for the creation of the tuple from the bar labels based on the provided indices. This concise and effective lambda, combined with the index sequence, streamlines the process of generating the tuple with the required values. Continuing with the solution, we introduce a function template called withN that calls the lambda function with a range of integral constants, enabling the tuple construction from the bar labels. By utilizing this function template alongside the parameter pack, we can succinctly create the tuple with the desired values. This approach not only simplifies the code, but also enhances its readability and maintainability. In summary, we have explored a sophisticated yet efficient solution to the C++ template problem at hand. By leveraging the power of lambda functions, parameter packs, and index sequences, we have successfully constructed a tuple from bar labels with precision and elegance. We hope you found this explanation insightful and that it helps you tackle similar challenges in your coding journey. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!